If you're broke right now, relax. It's not your fault. You were dropped into life on hard mode, with no tutorial, no guide, and parents who think investing is buying more rice during Christmas. But today, I'm giving you the cheat code. Not the boring stuff. The real order rich people invest their money, but never explain. And if you ignore this, congrats. You've unlocked the secret achievement. Financial Stress Unlimited Edition. Step 1. Fix your character stats first. Before you invest, fix your life. You can't invest properly when your entire existence is on fire. Examples. If your bank account is allergic to money, then fix that. If one emergency can finish you, fix that. If somebody calls you and you instantly hold your breath, my brother, please, fix that. Trying to invest with debt is like trying to drink juice while your mouth is on fire. Before you invest a single naira, build an emergency fund. 1 to 3 months of expenses in a safe account. Emergency funds are like life insurance for your sanity, because life throws problems the same way NEPA throws darkness, randomly. Step 3. Invest in your skills first. This is where 90% of people get it wrong. Your skills are the real investment. Stocks won't save you if your income is small. Examples. Editing, sales, design, tech, communication. Skills are the only investment where returns are guaranteed, unless you sleep during class like sticks. Step 4. The Rich Person's Method, DCA. Here's the part rich people don't tell you. They invest slowly and consistently. No timing the market. You're not a wizard, not Dr. Strange. You're not even close. Just invest a small amount every week or month. This builds wealth quietly while you're not looking. Step 5. Index funds, no stress investing. Index funds, the I don't want stress investment? They grow slowly, but consistently, like a plant that refuses to die. Step 6. Small business, shot fastest level up. Here's the truth nobody admits. Your income is your engine. If you want wealth faster, build something, even if it's small. Your business doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be slightly better than NEPA. Step 7. Buy assets that pay you to sleep. Examples. Digital products, dividend stocks, online systems, rentals, physical or digital. If your money isn't working while you're sleeping, your account is the real lazy one. Step 8. Reinvest like a grown person. When money starts coming in, don't rush to buy sneakers. Reinvest, grow, repeat. Money is not hard. It just follows people who move in the right order. Fix your life. Invest in skills. Invest consistently. Build something. Buy assets. Reinvest. Do this and you'll escape hard mode forever. If this hit you at the right time, check out my channel, Finance in Sticks. We talk money, mindset, and making real moves. Hit subscribe and let's grow together.